Hello everyone, welcome to the ninth session. In this video, we are going to learn political science first lesson, post-World War political development. Okay. In earlier standard, we have to studied local government, India's constitution, and our political system, or structure of government. But in ninth standard, we are going to study India's relation with the world and some major global issues. Our social life is interdependent. Mutual corporation. Mutual means something two people or group share. Sharing. Mutual means sharing. Has a very important place in it. It applies to different nations in the world. Some exchange and interaction goes on between them constantly. A system of all these interdependent sovereign states called international system. Okay. Let's get to know features of this international system. First one is interdependence. All the countries of the world are dependent on each other. Every big nation or developed nation also have to depend upon other big or small nations. For example, most of the nations depend on Saudi Arabia and Kuwait for crude oil. Next is international relations through foreign policy. Every nation has policies about its international dealing and its relations with other nations, such as policy called foreign policy. India always tried to maintain friendly relations with other nations and respect international laws. Okay. Next point is background. In last century, two words were fought. Because of First World War and Second World War. Because of First World War and Second World War, the world completely changed. New currents of thought emerged or appeared. Let's see about First and Second World War. This war was fought between First World War was fought between 1940 to 1980. Major countries of Europe took part in it. Countries like Britain, France, Russia, Italy, Germany, Hungary, Bulgaria, and Australia, and also America take part in it. After First World War, economics of the winning as well as the losing countries collapsed. League of Nations was established. The main object of this organization was to avoid war. After First World War, there is a League of Nations was established. Okay. Movement for independence started in the countries of Asia and Africa where European countries had their colonies. This is the effect of First World War. After First World War, the economies of the winning or also losing countries are collapsed. Okay, and the League of Nations established. Then countries where European countries had their colonies in Asia and Africa, so they started movement for independence. Then the Second World War was fought between 1939 to 1945. More advanced technology was employed in this war. America had manufactured nuclear weapons. They made atom bomb and it dropped on the two cities of Japan. Second World War was ended with the defeat of Germany and Japan. Okay. After Second World War, America and Soviet Union became competitors. There was no open war between them, but there was such tension in their relations that it seems that a war would erupt any time. This is called Cold War. In 1945 to 1991, it is the long period of the Cold War. In that period, both the countries tried to increase their military might. Okay. Both countries made nuclear weapons. They made more and more destructive weapons. They were checkmating each other in every field. Both the superpowers, Russia and America, created military organization that is called military organization. NATO. First one is NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, was under the dominance of America, and Warsaw Pact. This is another military organization was under the command of Soviet Union. Okay, both countries started making effect of pull smaller countries into their respective blocks in order to increase their hegemony. Hegemony means power to control or strength. This make biopolarism. This make biopolarism of the world. America wanted to spread capitalism, while the Soviet Union wanted to spread socialism. During this period, developing countries created regional organization at the regional level because they felt that economic development was more important than the war. European countries formed the European Economic Community, and Southeast Asian countries established the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN. ASEAN. Okay. I hope you got it. Remaining part of the lesson we will see in the next video. Till then, bye.